Hello students, how are you all? This is Prashant. So I welcome you all to this topic. So as we were discussing about the open office. Last time we have discussed about the file tab. So today we are going to discuss about the edit tab. It is 802 information technology for the class 11th. So you can see here the edit tab consists of command required to perform editing on the current document. So whatever the current document we have, we can do the editing on that. So we are going to discuss about the undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, select all, and find and replace. These many things are given in your edit tab. So we are going to discuss these now. So let's move to the practical portion. Okay. Okay, my dear students, last time we have discussed about the file tab. Now we are going to discuss about the this edit tab. So here, let's suppose I want to make the changes, or here I have typed something like randomly I press some keys, but by mistake it happened. So what you can do, you can press the undo typing, Control plus Z. The undo shortcut key is Control plus Z. For the Apple user, Command plus Z. Okay, you can see when I will click on the undo, it will do the undo action. Now you can see it is changing itself. It is the undo action. Okay, now if you want to redo, if you want to repeat the same action, then you have to click here, Control plus Y for the Windows user. Okay, now it is coming, Control plus Y. Now we have the cut, copy and paste. Most people are familiar with this because nowadays people are doing the copy paste and all. So but for those who are not aware about this, I am going to tell them. Cut, sometimes cut you will get as a move option, how you will move the text. So make it sure, my dear friends, if you want to do the cut, you have to select the first of all the particular line. Selecting, press the left button and drag your mouse over the text. Okay, or from the keyboard you can do click, press the shift key and hold it, and use your cursor control key to select the document to text. Okay, now in edit you can go and use the cut. Control plus X is the shortcut key. Okay, so just when I click on the cut, it is going to be removed from here. Just now I selected cut, so you can see that line is not appearing here. Wherever you want to paste, wherever you have to place your cursor, go to the edit and paste. You can see that the line is removed from here. That means the line is moved from here to here. So this is the cut option. Okay, after the cut option you can do number of time paste. That similar line going to be paste. Now copy and paste. Copy means it will make the copy of original text as it is written here. Similar, I am going to do the copy and paste. Wherever you want to make the paste, click there and paste and paste and paste. Number of times you can do the paste. Okay, similarly I am going to repeat one more time. Undo, you can see the last changes are disappeared. Similarly redo. Okay, undo and redo. So I think this is again clear to you. Now we have find and replace. Find and replace. In the beginning of the document you have to click. What this find and replace will do for you? Find and replace will do if you want to search a particular word or a particular line in a long text, in a long document. So what you can do, you in the place of finding that line in the long document, let's suppose we have 10 number of pages, or I have to find a particular number or a particular line. So what I will do, I have to click in the beginning of the document, go to the edit and click on find and replace. Control plus F is a shortcut key. This window is going to be appear. Search what? Search what? What you want to search? Let's suppose I want to search freely. 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 Okay, so what you can do, you can click on find. Okay, you can see it is going to be appear here, find. So as many as place it is appearing, it will find all the things. Now it is not available, next is not available in your document, so that's mean it is you just now you find out the things. Now replace. search what and replace with. Let's suppose internet or dear. I want to search dear. I want to write down dearest, or I want to write down respected students. Okay, I want to write down. So what will happen if I will click on replace? Then it will go one by one and it will replace that particular text. It will search that year and search is going to replace by respected. If I will click on replace all, then it will replace all the window. So now you can see respected students, respected students, respected students, respected students. I think this is pretty clear to all of you. Now this added option is clear to all of you. So these are the things that we want to discuss today. Thank you. Have a nice day.